How to fix call failed on iPhone. Let's jump right into the steps. First, what you want to do is you want to go ahead and check if network is working correctly. Next, what you want to do is you want to turn on your airplane mode and turn it back off again after some time. Then, you want to check your SIM card if it is working properly. Remove your SIM card and insert it again. Check if your SIM card is damaged. Next step is force restart your iPhone. Press power button and volume button at the same time until you see the Apple logo. Next thing that you can do is open settings. Then if there is any software update available, you want to go ahead and tap on it and then update your software. Next, you want to go back to settings and tap on general. Scroll down a little bit and then you want to tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Tap on reset. Tap on reset network settings. Then you want to enter your password and reset your iPhone. So that is how you can fix call failed on iPhone. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.